What's up, good people? I'm Director Khalif and I'm back again with an interesting tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to live stream using the Yolo box, Sony 4K XD camera and a HDMI cable. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So I have a Sony 4K XD camera, HDMI cable and a Yolo box. I'll start by mounting the Yolo box to the Sony 4K XD camera. And then I connect the HDMI cable from the Yolo box to the camera. And then I switch on the camera and the Yolo box as well. Once the Yolo box is on, I'll first start by connecting it to the Wi-Fi, which I'm tethering from my mobile phone. Once it's connected, I'll add a live session where I'll have to rename the sessions. And once that is done, I'll schedule. Make sure anytime you schedule at least 20 minutes before you start. And if you've not logged in, you'll do so. As for me today, I'll be using Facebook and I'm already logged in. Once you've scheduled, you'll notice that you have the social media platforms on your right side. So I'll first start by going live, and then I'll enable my Facebook platform, and you'll want to put it to public if you want everyone to see it. If it's only friends, maybe you can select friends. You also have an option whereby you can only live stream to your groups or your Facebook pages. So it's up to you to choose what you want. So maybe I can just check on my mobile phone and confirm that it's live. And there it is, it's already live streaming. So that's how you live stream with the Yolo box, and that was it for today. See you in the next episode.